in the key of C. This is for our ongoing class. This is our song by ear. It is the jingle from the Oscar Meyer hot dog commercial because it is March right now. Happy birthday, Oscar Meyer, who's not here. He was born in 1888. He lived a long life, even with eating all those nitrites and nitrates. So what are you going to do? So I thought of a cool little ending. You know, we have everyone would be in love with you. Little variation of it's a little harder to grab. Da 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 da. So let me tell you how I'm doing this. I'm in my finger picking position with my right hand, and that little lick is the E string and the A strings. And so the way I do it is anything I'm playing on the E string is going to be with my middle finger. Anything I play with my on the A string will be with my ring finger. That's my way of doing it. You can also try picking it with your thumb or another finger. So let me tell you what the notes are. G, two G's, A, which it would be an open string, then back to the G. That's it. Da, 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 da. And look, and I'm just holding my little ring finger right there on the G note, which is happening on the E string, 3rd fret. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's the first part of it. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Sounds like a doorbell. Now, the rest of it is da, da. Easy. Just make your G7 chord, da, and then your C. Because the notes that we are grabbing are a B and a C. And they're right where we want them for a little chord melody thing on the A string, so we can strum all 4 strings. So putting it all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again, One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I'm going to slow down the drum here so we can squeeze that in. So the last line goes, if I were an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me. And you know what? If you're doing this if you're entertaining someone or a group of someones or animals or whatever, you can really milk that ending and go, everyone would be in love with me. And watch how they squirm because we want that resolved, right? So we get to add a little element of squirm. So let's put the whole song together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I wish I were an Oscar Mayer wiener. G7, G7, that is what I truly like to be. 'Cause if I were an Oscar Mayer wiener, everyone would be in love with me. Ooh, smells like another pocket song to me.